to be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today in this channel, I would like to express my feelings on report writing. Report writing, what is report writing? How to write report, and which stage is report writing of newspaper. First of all, we must know newspaper. Newspaper, news for north, east, west, south, and paper. On paper, if there is information from all the four directions, north, east, west, south, then that is called newspaper. And what is in newspaper? In newspaper there are two things. First of all, there are reports through which we get information about different types of activities, programs, functions, incidents, accidents. And second one, that is the part of advertisement. Advertisement is the part through which there is rich income of newspaper, and reports are to attract the people to read newspaper, and through which there is ad income of newspaper owner. Now I am taking your report. The topic is report. First of all, we have to learn. Actually, in English, there are sections. There is first section, reading section. Second one, that is grammar section. Third one, that is writing section. And fourth one, that is the part, literature part. And today I am talking about writing section. In writing section, there is report writing. In report writing, first of all, we see the person who is from any newspaper. He is called reporter. And a reporter reaches on the spot where there is program, function, incident, accident, and whatever he sees there, then he notes down, she notes down about that particular program in points, and these points are called notes. It means, first of all, there is the process of note making. Note making is also an important topic in English. Reading, this is the point of reading section. And in writing section, then there is report. When he makes the notes, he makes the points, then he returns, reaches at his office and writes report on the particular point, topic, which one has been visualized, gone through, seen by the reporter. Today in this video I am taking the types of reports. There are many types of reports. First of all, I am taking road accident. Means accident, road accident, water accident, air accident, fire accident, rail accident. Means in accidents there are a number of accidents. There are incidents. There are programs. For example, plantation program. There are functions. For example, annual function. There is a visit of any VIP. Mr. Narendra Modi visited Mathura. Lecture on any topic of any literary figure, scientist, or any educationist. If there is a lecture, Any meeting, there may be report on any meeting. For example, there is PTM, Parents Teachers Meeting. Next one is any pravachan of any saint. If there is pravachan, means there is any saint, and the pravachan program, that is lecture, means pravachan of any saint. Maybe a number of problems. For example, poor and dirty water supply in the city. This is the problem of the city. There may be reports on tours, trips, picnics. There may be the reports on different parties. For example, there is mango party. There may be the report on celebration, birthday celebration of any child, of any person. There may be report on dharna, pradarshan, movement. Nowadays, there is a Kishan Pradarshan, farmers movement. There may be report on fair, for example, trade fair, book fair. Maybe report on show, magic show. Maybe report on inauguration, inauguration of flyover, inauguration of road, inauguration of school. There may be report on camps, blood donation camp, eye donation camp, NCC camp, NSS camp. There may be reports on many more points, more topics. And if I say anything that is the activity which one is going on in the society, we may write report on that particular activity, on that particular topic. I say there are certain common points regarding report: date, time, place. Next one is main content and then closing. Again, date, time, place, main content and closing. And this is the final stage of note making. Note making is the topic of reading section, and report writing is the topic of writing section. Let's know, this is a very important topic, report writing, and today I have taken this introductory part of report writing. In my coming videos, then I'll take one by one the reports. Thank you very much. In making this video, Mr. Naveen Vasist has cooperated a lot. I say thanks to him. Thank you very much.